Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have one of our last 2020 Kia Optima LXs. This one here is finished in snow white pearl over black with like a brown interior color. It's really cool. Actually, it has the brown interior color package, so brown cloth seats. Very nice spec, 25305. As stated, this is one of our last Optimas for sale. See, if you put the two colors next to each other, you can see how the cloth is actually brown. Likewise, you can see how this section here is brown. There we go. It's a very good, very good view of the brown interior. As stated above, this is one of our last 2020 Optimas. We have one more other than this one. And that's it. No more Optima. It's now the K5. It's kind of sad because the Optima has been Kia's top selling vehicle for a long time now. But, as always, the times move on. I'll be completely honest with you. The Optima was only named the Optima here. Everywhere else in the world it was the K5. So they just changed the name. That's literally all that happened. Being the entry-level trim, has your rubberized steering wheel, rubberized plastic. This is all nice softer touch materials, like where your airbag and stuff are. Without further ado, let's go ahead, put it into sport mode. And go for a drive. 6-speed automatic, made it to a naturally aspirated 2.4 liter inline 4. Of course, with the K5, everything is now turbocharged. However, for 2020, you could get the Optima SX Turbo with a 2-liter turbo. And that pushed out, what was it, like 270 for horsepower? It was up there. Even though this is now outdated, I still like it. Interior is really nice, especially in the topper end Optima or higher end Optimas. I mean, it was a fantastic car, and the K5 is just a game changer. You drive these back to back, you can tell the K5 is absolutely superior in pretty much every way. But you know what? After driving a few K5s, as a matter of fact, you probably just watched a K5 video, I wanted to look at the Optima again. course, we were using manual mode for the downshifts. Because we did get cut off a little bit, I'll use this as another acceleration point. 260. Obviously not the fastest car in the world, but it was never claimed to be that. If you needed more power, you could get the turbocharged 2-liter and have as much power as one could ever want. I should say need. Everybody wants more power. I do like the steering wheel, even though it's rubberized. It's still really, really nice. You have nice, looks like brushed aluminum accents, but it's actually just plastic, but it feels great. Ride is perfect. Of course, these are higher or taller sidewall tires, so the ride's going to be a lot softer than if they were low profiles, but I will take it. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.